Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and join Team Maximus on the ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So once you've installed it and open it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page we can get started with using the application. So once you've started a 3-day trial, purchase a subscription, you can get started with using the workout at the bottom of the screen. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to join Team Maximus. So basically guys, to be able to switch over teams, you're going to go right here at the bottom of the screen, take a look at the tabs you can access and click on the teams option. As you can see in the teams option, we can get started browsing all the teams that we can go ahead and find and join. So as you can see, if you scroll down enough, you're going to find the Coach Maximus team. So by wanting to join the team, all you have to do is just click learn more. I am already in the Coach Maximus team, so I cannot join them. I can only see the workouts, but it's going to look like this. This is going to be your window from where you can click try Maximus at the bottom of the screen, and it's going to enable you to join their team and get started with following Maximus workouts. So once you've done that, on the workout page it's going to show you everything Maximus related. So that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.